are at Holst Landing Beach during this crazy hurricane called Sandy. The waves are smashing into the bluffs. The glacial erratic, getting pummeled by the sound. Water's coming right up to the bluffs.
There's no
What's that?